Keep everything organized. Double layers design. Our nail polish kit case has enough versatile pockets and extra space on top. It is perfect for storing UV LED nail lamp, all polishes, files, cotton balls, small bottle of polish remover. It keeps nail polish, nail lamp and manicure tools in one place, so you don't have to go on a scavenger hunt every time when to do nails. Bag only. Keep the nail polish and nail lamp safe. Our nail polish storage organizer box holds all nail polish in an upright position, while not exposing them to light. The compartment is soft to prevent the bottle from colliding or breaking, so you don't worry about the bottles will crack or clank against each other. It's a safety way to carry nail polish kit with nail light around for travel and family manicures. Easy to carry and store. The nail polish organizer case has a sturdy handle, makes it a real simple to move from point one to the next at home, on vacation or even carting to manicurist, pedicurist with personal use items. Compact and easy to travel with, it is perfect for traveling with manicure kit and is going to become a staple for you. Enough room to hold your favorite colors. The nail organizers and storage has several pockets and elastic bands for storing nail art brushes, cuticle cutters, files, stickers, clippers, polish remover and other small nail accessories. A large bottom compartment, with adjustable bottle dividers, holds up to 42 bottles of 15 milliliters, 0.5 fluid ounces nail polish. High quality and versatile. Our nail polish storage bag is made of heavy-duty nylon, more durable and scratch-resistant. Soft padded interior to protect nail polish bottles and nail dryer. It is not only a perfect nail technician supplies, but also an ideal essential oil case. Top reviews from the United States. It can hold a lot of items without bulging at the seams. I loved being able to put all of my stuff in it and it still looked nice and neat. It has taken wear and tear without showing it. This has become my favorite.